In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can stop pop-up notifications from investing.com app. So if you are receiving a lot of pop-up notifications from this app and it is affecting your user experience, then let me show you how you can manage this. Now, if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking this video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now, for us to stop pop-up notifications or those annoying notifications that you have been receiving, the first thing we need to do is to access the app information page. Now, there are two ways we can access this. Let me show you both of them. In the first method, all you need to do is to access settings on your smartphone. Now, to access the app information page, you need to go to settings and then tap on it. From here, scroll down until you see the option called apps, and here it is. I'll go ahead and tap on it. Then you'll see this option called manage apps. Now for this tutorial, I'm using a Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. So if you don't see this option called manage apps on your smartphone, it might be written all apps. It depends on your phone. So go ahead and tap on manage apps, and then this will list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. Now from this list, proceed and look for your app. And here is my app. So if you can't see it, you can still go under search here and then search for your app. So I'll proceed and tap on it. And now look at that, I am on the app information page. So this is where we shall do our settings. Now, if this process of getting to this app information page was quite long, let me show you a shortcut method of getting here. Now, in the shortcut method, all you need to do is to go to the app and then long press on it. And then from here, you'll see app info. So if I go ahead and tap on app info, I'll still get to the same page. So you can use this shortcut to get here. Once you're on this page, scroll down until you see this option called notifications, and here it is. So if I tap on notifications, you can see the notifications are turned on, and there are quite a number of them. Now to turn them off, instead of turning one by one here, just go ahead and choose this option called show notifications, that is up here, and then toggle it off. This will go ahead and turn off all the other notifications that were enabled on this app. Now from here, you'll never again see pop-up notifications coming from this app. So that's how you turn off pop-up notifications from investing.com app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this was helpful, please like the video and also subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.